Hi, in this video, I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to use one of my favorite accessibility tools in terms of providing options for representation and perception for our students. It is a Chrome extension, so you need to be using the Chrome web browser for this to work. It's free, it's easy for you to add on. Just as a disclaimer, some settings changed in Chrome where extensions aren't always as easy for students and sometimes staff to add right away, meaning it might show up as being blocked, or you might have to have permission from your administrator to get to them. The best way for you to keep track of those and make sure you get access to them is to copy the URL of the site I'm about to go to, which has the extension. And then from there, send it along to your tech department, and what they can do is whitelist it for you, which basically means that you have access to add it yourself. So the tool I'm going to show you is called High Contrast. And like the name implies, it basically changes the coloring and contrast of a website to make it more readable and more accessible for anyone who might have a visual impairment or really might want to have that option available to them. So the first thing you'll need to do is go to the Chrome Web Store. And once you are in the Chrome Web Store, search for High Contrast. Oh, maybe. Hopefully if I type correctly. Right? And it is, the one I like to use is the second one, but there are other ones out there. This is just the one I'm showing you today. And you'll click Add It if you can. Once it's added, it will show up here across your top toolbar. If you ever want to make yours look a little less cluttered, you can hide in Chrome menu, which means that it's still here. It's just in this 3-dot menu over there. So once I have High Contrast added, I will have to give it permission to my website the first time, and it does make me reload my page. And once I have my page reloaded and it has permission to use my website, I'm going to enable it, and then I can decide how I want the color inverted or contrast. So it's a little bit easier for someone to read if they want to have this option. If I need to ever turn this off, I'll just go to High Contrast again and disable, and then it takes my website back to its original color formatting. If you have questions, let us know.